In this video, we will show you how to disable OneDrive synchronization in Windows 11 25H2. To disable the synchronization, if you can see, our file on the documents is automatically synchronized with OneDrive. Okay, there is three options how you can disable your OneDrive synchronization. If you can see, in the left bar of your Windows 11 25H2, okay, if you click here, you can go to your disk storage and you can click settings here. Okay, you can see there, you can click the backup important PC folder to OneDrive. This is about synchronization. You can just click manage backup. As you can see, our folder is automatically synchronized or backup using the OneDrive. We can just disable this. Okay, just stop backup and choose stop backup and choose where to keep files and select only on my PC and click continue here and click OK. Okay, and then turn this off also the same with that and choose only on my PC. Okay, just click again in the desktop. Okay, stop backup and only on my PC. Okay, after you stop this, your OneDrive will not synchronize again. Okay, and then we can click close. Okay, you can restart your computer to see the effects. And the number second in here, you can go to the account and you can unlink your OneDrive with this account. This is also will disable your synchronization. This is the method number second or number 2. Just click unlink this PC and you can click unlink account. Okay, so your OneDrive will not connect it again. You can see there is no OneDrive. You can see no OneDrive is available in here. If you think you don't need entirely of OneDrive application, this is the number 3. Okay, you can delete the entire OneDrive by opening control panel. Just type control panel on your search. After opening your control panel, select uninstall a programs by category here. Choose this and you can choose OneDrive and you can click on install. After you click on install on your OneDrive, please wait until the pop-up is appear to uninstall your OneDrive. In here you can click yes. Wait until the uninstallation is completed. After that you can see it's removed. The icon is not here again. And your OneDrive is fully removed on your Windows 11 25H2. And you don't worry that your file will be connect automatically on your OneDrive account. That's how to disable synchronization between OneDrive and our Windows 11 25H2. If you have any questions, you can fill in the comments comment below, and thanks for watching.